All right, so we are here with Antonio. Right, the last interview we did Antonio, there was a car throttling in the background and the audio was crap, so we couldn't use it.
My name is Antonio Rizza. I have a tow truck called Bull Wrecking and
But we are here today, right? How was track day number 5 for you?
fantastic. It was a lot of fun. I felt I was, getting quicker. I had Coach Tommy.
What's up, Tommy?
Not much. Came out today to help my friend Antonio Rizza.
Best coach. Showing me his little secrets and everything. So it definitely helped,
Right, I saw you with your GoPro hooked up and getting some.
And we're watching it after to make sure everything looked good and
Right.
improvements.
Right.
Just I need to go to the gym because this driving thing, steering wheel heavy. So work on the gym and then I'll be good after that.
All right.
Can't complain.
All right, cool. Now, for persons who may not know, right? You just started racing.
Yeah.
Right? The last meet in April was your first race meet. How's the experience so far? I mean, any regrets like, boy, this thing too rough for me, or are you enjoying it?
I had so much fun. Everyone has been saying Dover, drivers saying, it's they're gonna have the time of your life, whatever. And when you hear it, you're like saying, but it was really so much fun. Just even driving the car.
Right.
I think I did fairly well. But it was just so much fun, just driving and just hanging with people and
right.
everything.
Just getting your feet wet.
Yeah, it was definitely worth it. This experience is you have to really do it. When you do it, it's like nothing like I've ever done before. It's wicked. It's awesome.
Well, there's something you told me the last interview that you first bought the car and then you figured out, but wait, how am I going to get it to the track?
Yeah.
Hence,
I was thinking about buying a trailer.
Right.
But the trailer, I want a nice trailer, so it'd be kind of expensive. And they can't make that the money on the trailer, so I got the record.
And then you started the business.
I started Bull Wrecking,
Yeah.
And then I bought my second record, a year after, around that, couple months. So I'm doing pretty well.
Right.
Trying, hustling,
Yeah, Bull Wrecking. All right, so check them out. You're based in Kingston.
Yeah.
Right.
So if the best prices, I can give me a call, can negotiate something, I'm cool,
There you go.
The prices, man.
All right, so you can find Bull Wrecking on Instagram, all over social media.
Yeah.
Right, but let's go back to some of the racing. Now, for persons who don't know, this car, which is now in white, was previously campaigned by Colin Daly, right? So we all know the history on this car. It's a beast.
Machine.
Right? Machine. Now, what's the setup? You mind just refreshing us on the setup?
So I haven't really done anything different from Colin. Haven't touched anything.
Okay.
Same B18. Only thing I really did was spray over the car. I wanted to clean out whatever. So I sprayed it over and I did a cool show engine bay. So did the blue inside.
Okay.
And then I did the blue roll cage.
To match.
So I did basically the whole new wire loom. And simple things. I really, the only regret I have, I wish I did the gray. Like my company Bull Wrecking is everything is gray. All the trucks are gray.
Okay.
Hands is gray. So I wish this was gray.
I mean that eventually.
It's gonna be great.
Yeah, man.
And I just did a little cool
cosmetic
switch,
stuff.
Yeah, in the toolbox, but the switch and I put the computer down there and
okay, cool.
Nice car.
Cool. Well, I mean, July 3rd is like 3 weeks away, right?
That's next door.
Yeah, that's the next meet, right? I'm sure you'll be ready.
Definitely be ready.
What can your fans expect from you on July 3rd?
just be out there just having fun. It's all about the fun. If you don't go out there and have fun, you're lost. You know?
That's true. That's true. Any more testing before that meet though?
Well, I was thinking about coming out like another time, but then I just-
Maybe a week before.
Right now, today was a workout, and I'm all right now. So I'll just when Dover comes, I'll probably do one drive on the
Gotcha.
weekend. But that's about it.
That's about it.
Yeah.
All right. And any which class are you in now?
Honestly, I think I'm in IP1 because my first time driving.
Right.
I have to be in IP1.
I understand.
But I just drive, you know.
But eventually, we all know that you'll work your way up.
Eventually, yeah.
You know. So but yeah, we're definitely looking forward to see you. Based on the footage from the last event, I can tell you straight up, you did some killer driving. Like you drove.
Yeah, respect,
Yeah, man. You'll see them when it's uploaded, right?
Yeah.
But I can see even today.
Yeah.
Each time, each lap, you got faster. You know, it was consistent as Tommy said, but a bit faster each time.
Yeah.
You know, and so
They're consistent, yeah.
right. So we know that you're onto something.
And the
good.
car is good. I don't need to do anything to the car. Since I bought the car, I haven't really had to, do anything. When I come to Dover, I just do a little smile check. But
That's it.
Car is reliable, simple car. You still
Nice.
work on, everything is right there.
Nice,
And
nice.
that's what I
nice.
want. I don't want to have to pull out the computer and have to this and that. Can't do
Yeah,
that.
yeah. You just show up, drive, enjoy yourself.
And then pack up and leave.
That's it.
Have
That's
fun.
it. That's it. All right, Antonio. Well, as I said, we'll catch up more as time goes on.
Yeah.
Big up and all the best. July 3rd.
Yeah, man.
All right. Big up.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.